How to make money in Decentraland. Hey guys, welcome to the Crypto Playbook. Decentraland is a complete decentralized virtual world where you can buy, build, and sell digital real estate, artworks, and non-fungible tokens or NFTs. You can accomplish all of this by playing games and engaging in various activities in the virtual world. Decentraland, in its own words, is a social experience in which you interact with other members of the community. The platform is run by the community and built on the Ethereum blockchain. It has since become one of the most coveted metaverses in the crypto universe. You don't have to play a lot in Decentraland. As a visitor client, you can just investigate the world by opening up its site on a program. Then, at that point, make a symbol, give it a name, affirm your lawful age, acknowledge the T&Cs, and you're all set. Nonetheless, at this point, the stage doesn't support cell phones. Moreover, to completely encounter every one of the advantages of Decentraland, you ought to have a crypto wallet, where you can securely store your cryptographic forms of money and other computerized resources. Without a wallet, you might have the option to stroll around and redo your symbol, and won't have the option to participate in occasions. On Decentraland, you can assemble 3D conditions, make symbols, or feature the scope of computerized content, which you can monetize the conceivable outcomes. When you are in the virtual world, you can stroll around any place you need or utilize the guide to magically transport to a particular area. Or party at a virtual club, visit NFT workbench shows, take an interest in a hustling game, or even find your virtual friends, all from the solace of your home. You'll be doing this as symbols of your computerized portrayal. Your symbol helps other people to recognize you and assists you with monitoring every one of your companions. Presently, to make your symbol as novel as possible, you can alter it in various ways. Browse a scope of facial elements like eyes, grins, or beard growth. Select the ideal outfit, complexion, or haircuts. You can likewise alter your symbol by giving it an interesting name. When you have the ideal symbol prepared, you can investigate the virtual world. Decentraland is overflowing with NFT workmanship, shows, and exhibitions. In case you are an authority or an NFT devotee, you can partake in the live sell-offs at the exhibitions and buy NFTs from a wide scope of specialists. Consistently, the Metaverse likewise has Art Week, a 10-day-long social celebration loaded with shows, music, occasions, dispatch parties, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. The second release of the occasion was held last month and highlighted shows from top NFT platforms, theater exhibitions, and openings by prestigious craftsmen, among others. Besides, in June, Sotheby's opened its first virtual exhibition in Decentraland's Voltaire Art District. The advanced copy of its London display was dispatched with the natively digital organized NFT deal, which highlighted an assortment of remarkable fine arts. Sotheby's section into the metaverse is evidence that NFTs and metaverse are the following wilderness of computerized craftsmanship. The metaverse likewise has a few games that you can appreciate. Some likewise have a play-to-acquire economy, utilizing which you can produce by gaming. Ethermon, for example, is a beast getting play-to-procure game where you can purchase Ethermon NFTs and fight with each other. In the interim, in WonderQuest, you can purchase a collectible mythical serpent egg NFT. Once incubated, you can utilize the mythical serpent to interface in the virtual gaming world, which has many journeys and melodic exhibitions. Different things you can look at are Tominoya Casino, a virtual betting house created by Decentral Games, or the hustling game Battle Racers. Computer game legend Atari additionally processes a domain in the metaverse. Here you can appreciate numerous exemplary games made by the designer. Besides, on the off chance that you are an engineer, you can make games on your land by utilizing Decentraland Software Development Kit. Decentraland is administered by its clients using a decentralized independent association called the Decentraland DAO. The metaverse has two local tokens, Mana and Land. What is Mana? Mana is decentralized digital currency and has a proper stock. And it's an ERC20 token, a fungible token. It's purchased and exchanged on crypto trades like Binance and Huobi Global, or even stacked on DEX, decentralized trade, like Uniswap or SushiSwap. In the metaverse, it's well utilized to pay for land, symbol, embellishments, collectibles, or gaming, and then some. In the interim, you can likewise secure your Mana contract, bringing about wrapped Mana. This wrapped Mana will be locked, which means you cannot spend or move it. What is land? Land is a non-fungible, transfer-scanned, computerized resource put away in an Ethereum Brilliant contract. Each package is an NFT and is distinguished by its area or facilities in the virtual world. It additionally contains data about its owner. Moreover, at least two contiguous bundles make an estate. Also, each bundle differs in shading. The light dark lines, for example, are streets and can't be purchased. Also, the 9 green regions are courts possessed by the Decentraland people group, though the dims ground are those that are claimed which are not ready to be moved. Meanwhile, the light blue hued lands are ready to move. Lands nearer to the Genesis Plaza, the court at the middle, or well-known areas are more costly. You can purchase bundles from NFT commercial centers like OpenSea or directly from Decentraland's commercial center. These come at a significant cost, which is strong. In June, for example, 259 packages were sold for an astounding $913,228. This is the most costly land sold in Decentraland. What makes Decentraland separated from Metaverse is that it isn't constrained by a unified body. All things considered, the Metaverse client who holds mana and land control it through the Decentraland DAO. This implies that everything from land to resources and administration is constrained by players themselves. The symbolic holders can make just as a decision on recommendations or improvements in the Metaverse. Besides, they can make surveys, vote on arrangement refreshes, token financial aspects, and land barters, among others. Contingent upon the symbolic you hold, you get the accompanying democratic powers, which are wrapped mana, 1 democratic power, land 2,000 units of casting a ballot power, estate 2,000 units of casting a ballot power. Putting resources into mana. With Decentraland's prominence flooding, many accept that mana is a wise speculation. As indicated from exchanging at $0.08 in January 2021, mana's value took off to $1.4 in March. Moreover, it's arrived at an unsurpassed high of $1.63 in April. At the hour of composing, mana was estimated at $0.85 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $217 million. With prediction, mana will hit $2.2 toward the end of 2021. It's accepted that the digital currency to reach $10 before the end of 2022. Notwithstanding, mana is probably going to reach $10 in the following 5 years, not in 1 year. For those burning through $0.85 on mana today, that is a likely 1,076.47% expansion in return on investment. With the current improvements in the Decentraland biological system, mana appears to have a confident future. In any case, given the unpredictability of cryptographic forms of money, financial backers should be cautious and do plentiful examinations before taking the jump. When you join Decentraland, there are various ways of bringing in cash. Like in reality, land has been acquiring energy in the virtual world also. With land being a restricted resource, many trust its worth to increment over the long haul. When you purchase land, you can utilize it to have applications like games or betting, promoting, or to have gaming networks, among others. For any application you construct, you can charge passage expenses. Any other way, you can lease or offer the land to designers and content makers who need to expand on it. Furthermore, you can grandstand and sell items into advanced collectibles. Another way you can acquire enormously is by playing a scope of club games or play to procure games. For instance, in Decentral Games Virtual Gambling Club, you can acquire DG tokens in various ways, for example, partner rewards or administration rewards. Moreover, the Metaverse is setting out genuine business open doors. Tomoya Casino, for example, has employed no less than 20 low-maintenance greeters and a director, amid the pandemic that restricted a huge number of individuals inside. Decentraland opened up a method for individuals to meet companions, visit exhibitions, purchase craftsmanship, party at clubs, and more, all without venturing outside their homes. The Metaverse future additionally depends on an ever-increasing number of individuals visiting and connecting with the stage. Since its dispatch, the Metaverse has developed enormously, with new highlights being added consistently. Besides, scores of new highlights are now ready to go, but then to come. In the coming many months, the Metaverse has some difficult tasks to meet. How it ascends to the event, the amount it works on its highlights, and how it resolves existing issues will decide its development. Since it opened to general society north of a year prior, Decentraland has filled quickly. One of the most recent few months, it has turned into the go-to place to virtual grounds and numerous other NFTs. If Decentraland drives the market, mana cost will likewise build, prompting higher ROI for financial backers. Note that Decentraland is something other than computer games. All things being equal, it's a demonstration of the numerous potential outcomes of decentralization. Assuming you can buy virtual land and set up for business on the Metaverse, there may not be a superior way for you to receive the rewards of decentralization. As one of the most well-known Metaverse which is presently accessible, Decentraland sure appears to have a splendid future ahead. Moreover, for those new to the metaverse, Decentraland, particularly without breaking a sweat of utilization, is an incredible spot to get everything rolling. In the long haul, it could even be productive speculation. And we've come to the end of the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. While you're here, click on any of the other 2 videos on your screen, and I'll see you there.